Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris again. We have this 2020 Jeep Cherokee. In this one, we only did the two front windows matching the rear factory and taillights and headlights. So this is our dark smoke material for the taillights. We use high-end materials, as you see the quality right away. It looks super glassy, super clean. Really translucent material, so you can see the lighting really easy. I'm gonna turn on the lights right now so you guys have an idea. It's a lot of lighting right now, so you're still able to kind of notice the difference. So we matched the rear factory. So like I always explain, this is a crossover. So any crossovers, SUVs or trucks, they have a stained glass in the back. So we just matched the two front windows with the rear factory. And this is the headlights. This one with the medium shade, so it will look a lot cleaner, you know what I mean? And he can have more light coming in now, so you know it's not gonna be really noticeable. So if there's any questions or concerns, give us a call. Shop number is 909-570-9954. We're gonna have a special going on taillights and headlights and vinyl wraps as well. All right, guys, thank you so much. Have a good day.